In this video, you're going to discover how to make money off your YouTube channel even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. And I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite ways to monetize your channel as a small YouTuber. And if you stick to the end, I will show you my favorite strategy to make money off YouTube. And these are the strategies that you can use if you are a new YouTuber or you're thinking about starting a channel. Now, if you didn't already know, you can't run ads on your YouTube channel until you have 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers. So if you want YouTube to be your business, you're gonna have to come up with other monetization strategies.
Our strategy number 1 is Patreon. Now, Patreon is a membership-based platform that allows you to run a subscription content service on your channel. So how this works is your fans or patrons pay and support you for your work, and in return you offer them exclusive content only available to them. According to Patreon's site, there are over 100,000 creators earning salaries from Patreon. Strategy number 2 is sponsorships. This is basically where you are paid by a company to do videos about their product, or you do product shoutouts in your videos for their products. So for instance, I could say,
so this video is sponsored by my dogs Dexter and Duke, and they want you to know that if you are single and looking for that someone special, they're available for you to take them for a walk. Because according to a study done by scientists, being accompanied by a dog increased the frequency of social interactions, especially interactions with strangers. So if you're interested in taking Dexter or Duke for a walk, I'll leave a link down below where you can get more information about that program.
And Dexter and Duke would pay me a monthly or yearly fee for that shout out in the middle of my video. Number 3 is consulting, and this is where you can take on one-on-one clients that hire you for your expertise in whatever area. So for example, Vanessa Lau started to make a full-time income before she was monetized on YouTube because people would hire her to help them with their Instagram accounts.
All right, now let's get into the top 3 strategies that I use myself, therefore I know them the best.
Number 1 is to use YouTube to generate leads for your existing business. Now, this strategy works best if you have an existing business where you need customers. For instance, I have another bricks and mortar business that I am part owner in, and we use videos to advertise our services. You can use your channel to advertise your business, get clients, generate leads, or just provide value to your existing customers so they keep coming back as a customer. Strategy number 2 is to sell stuff online, whether that's merchandise or digital products. I have a digital product that I sell for $7 all the way up to $197, and it's a digital product that helps you generate leads from your Facebook profile. Selling your own product is a great way to make money as a small channel because you get to keep 100% of the profit. But the downside is that you have to deal with 100% of the customer service issues, product creation, refunds, technical errors, maintenance, etc. And that is why I love strategy number 3, which is affiliate marketing. This is my favorite strategy because it's the easiest business model because you don't have to worry about all the downsides of having your physical business or own products to sell. Your only job is to show people how the products you recommend solved your problems and how it can solve other people's problems as well. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote other people's products or services, and if people buy those products or services through your own affiliate link, you earn a small commission. Let me show you a real-world example of how this works. My channel is all about how to build a YouTube business and make money through affiliate marketing. I talk about the tools, the tips, and the strategies to help you build your own YouTube business. And one of the tools that I recommend is a program called TubeBuddy, and it's a tool that I have purchased and used myself. Now, when I purchased TubeBuddy, I also signed up for TubeBuddy's affiliate program, where they gave me my own unique affiliate link. And I've done many videos regarding how to use this tool and how it's helped me grow my channel. And in the description of my videos, I provide my link where people can go purchase TubeBuddy for themselves. Now, if someone buys TubeBuddy using my affiliate link, I earn a small commission. One of the cool parts about affiliate marketing is it doesn't cost the consumer more money to buy through an affiliate link than it would cost them if they bought on their own. And in some cases, it might cost less because affiliates sometimes are able to provide a discount, especially if they become a high volume affiliate of that product. But let's say you don't want to make videos showing people how to make money online, but instead you want to have a channel about birds. No problem. You can still make money using affiliate marketing because there are literally thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can sign up for. For instance, you can talk about the best binoculars to use while bird watching, or the best books to read about birds, or the best cameras and settings to use while photographing birds. And you can find these products from a manufacturer, or you can sign up for one of the largest affiliate programs, Amazon Associates. Amazon lets you promote most of their millions of products, and you earn a commission if people buy Amazon products using your affiliate link. So no matter what topic you want your channel to be about, there is no doubt an affiliate program available for any product, service, tool, book, course, or software that you use and you can share with your audience. And depending on your topic, there might be an affiliate program that pays you really high commissions. I'm talking about $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per sale. And this is called high ticket affiliate marketing, and this is a great strategy to implement because it only takes one sale to make a lot of money. For me personally, I like to do a combination of both high ticket and low ticket because I don't like to put all my eggs in one basket. But I don't promote anything I don't use myself because I want to make sure what I'm suggesting does really work and help my audience. Now, no matter what your channel is about, there is one course that I recommend if affiliate marketing is something that interests you, because not only will you learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, but you will also have the opportunity to earn low and high ticket commissions. And this program is called Partner with Anthony, and it's a program that has taught me a lot about this business. It teaches me what affiliate marketing is, the mindset you need to start this business, what tools you need to get started, how to get traffic to click on your links, and how to build an affiliate marketing empire. One of the best parts is once you become a student, you have the opportunity to promote the program yourself and potentially make anywhere from $75 up to $1,000 per sale, as well as making monthly reoccurring commissions. And like I said, you don't have to be in the make money online niche to learn from this course, but you can apply what you learn to any channel idea you have. And if you want to learn more about this awesome program, I will leave a link in the description below.
Now, no matter what strategy you decide to implement to monetize your channel, whether you choose one of them, 3 of them, or all 6 of them, you are still going to need some basic tools to help you out. And I did a full video of the tools I believe you need to start a YouTube channel and grow it as a business. And I will leave the card right there where you can go watch that video. But if you don't want to watch that, go watch this video. That's another video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.